Hello, hello. Today I'm going to attempt sweeping, then mopping our floors because it's been a minute and we have a bunch of leaves trickling in and dog hair everywhere as usual. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then we have laundry going on, being productive. What else do I have to do today? Oh, I have to clean the bathroom. I mean, you've seen the bathroom, so yeah, I have to clean the bathroom. And then, yeah, that'll be my day. Maybe do some dishes. So come along with me and let's clean. Yeah! I'm making it sound like it's more exciting than it is. It's cleaning. Come clean with me. Turn on all the lights. If I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. Charlie's right here. Ready. Look at the way she's sitting. Why are you sitting like that? Alright, now I'm gonna like vacuum this / sweep it. Sweep up the big stuff, then the little stuff I'll just vacuum. Just easier that way. Ugh. Make a whole dog out of that. This is what 2 dogs get you in a comic. Yeah, I'll SIBO dirt vacuum. It's really nice because it's able to vacuum on high pile type of carpet, which is what we have. The Dyson didn't really work for us, so this is what we got. switch out the laundry. I'm gonna go do that. I have the beeper because Riley ate a whole chicken bone the other day, and now we're trying to train her to not be in the kitchen while we're cooking or doing dishes. Sometimes there's food in the dishes and we don't want her to eat it if it drops, so yeah. And she still hasn't passed it yet, so we'll see if it passes. Towels next, and then I'll show this. I'm gonna clean my Converse and show you how I make them white again, because you know, you want them to look fresh and feel clean. I don't know, I'm so tired today that I say things that I think is funny, but really it's just only funny to me. So this is your entertainment, me being tired and just saying whatever because I'm silly. This is how this is like the real me. It's weird saying that out loud. Oh yeah, we use this, I don't even know if it's good. It just looks like it's supposed to be a good laundry detergent. Go ahead, judge me. I don't know. I want to make my own, but that sounds like a lot of work. So you just, get the store-bought one because it works. Towels. Okay. Set to towels. Super easy. Okay, while that's running, I'm gonna start filling up the mop bucket. I'm gonna leave the mop down there. There we go. And there we go. Use this one. I only use like one cap full of it, and then let's make sure the water's hot before we fill it. Oh, that's hot. Okay. And then one cap full. Pretty bubbly. One capful normally does the job. What I do is when I mop, I also run it through this bad boy. So I use this, and I kind of, after I mop, I go over with this, because sometimes there's like excess hair, and it also will dry quicker. So yeah, that's what I do. So we're gonna fill this bad boy up. Not too much, just enough, because we don't want this to be touching the water, because that's where the water comes out of, and it's just, that's what I've learned when I've, okay, 2 hands, okay. I don't know when it turned off, but we're just gonna go with it. Basically, if you missed all of that, I mopped the whole place, and then now I'm going on this green mop to pick up any excess hairs. There might be, because there always is. There's still hair, even though after I've just mopped and vacuumed, so. Yay! Mission accomplished. Okay, so now, once that's done, I'm gonna put all the chairs down and all the furniture kind of back into place. Oh, that's cool. Put all the furniture back into place, and then start wiping down stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I am sweating. I need to turn this fireplace off. How hot is it in here? Oh, it's so. How is it 72 degrees in here? Crazy. That fire works, that's for sure. Okay. Okay. How come? So, these are my shoes. This is what they look like. Very dirty. Unacceptable, Charles. So what I do is I take the laces out, get those out, and then you can kind of see. I knew it wasn't a good idea to do it on the floor because you guys are always in my space. We're gonna put these in the wash. And what I do is, I'm gonna show you, throw these bad boys in the wash. So I pour some of this in. Just a little sprinkle of encouragement. Close that. And then I put some Clorox bleach into here. So I have it on bright whites, and then I start it. Cool. All right. Okay, so what you're gonna do is get your shoelaces, a jar, some baking soda, some bleach, and least used utensil. So what I'll do is fill this up with really hot water. Fill it up about 3/4 of the way. Then what I do is put this in there. I kind of eyeball the baking soda. Probably, let's say that much. Oh yeah. And then like half a cup of bleach. And then I let it sit, I mix it and I let it sit for about 24 hours. So the next day I'm gonna look at it and see what it looks like. When my shoes are done washing, I'm gonna let them out and I'm gonna have them air dry. I'm trying this new technique, I've never done that before. Normally I put it in the dryer, but since it's a canvas fabric, I'm not sure about putting it in the dryer. So I'm just gonna let it air dry or put it next to the fireplace and have it dry there. Riley, say thanks for watching. She put herself in this